Okay, here we have an HR 2510. I've had this radio, I'm going to say, about a year. And I used it on and off on my bench, and I had used it for probably 2 months straight, talking on AM and sideband. And I had it hooked up to a Galaxy power mic, going through two adapters, because this is a 5-pin plug, and I believe it's 5-pin anyway, and my desk mic was a 4-pin, so I went through two different adapters to get the mic to work on this radio. For some reason, this is the mic that I got with the radio. It's an old Galaxy hand mic, pretty rough shape. When I use this mic, everybody tells me that I sound distorted. I'm going to guess the mic is bad. I do not know. When I use the desk mic I have, the power mic, which, like I said, is a Galaxy mic, everybody says I'm loud and clear, sound just fine. So I don't know 100% if it's an issue with the radio or if it's an issue with the mic. I'm going to guess it's the mic, because it works fine with the Galaxy. But there again, the Galaxy is not wired for this radio. It goes through two adapters actually to make it work. It's actually wired for a Cobra configuration. Okay, anyway, I got a new bass unit, so I don't need this in the house anymore, and I have one in my vehicle, so I decided to go ahead and leave it go. Now, the case is in pretty rough shape. As you can see, there's a hole there. I don't know if somebody had switches in there at one time or what went on there. Now, currently I have it on channel 27, have it on AM, and I have it on a dummy load. I'm going to show you what it's doing on the meters. Audio. Test 1 1 2 1. Okay, now I had it running through an amp, so it is not, I would imagine it can be turned up some for more output. I don't know exactly what these units are supposed to put out. It's putting out about, I think it was around 6-7 watts there on the scale. Wasn't paying real close attention. I know every time I talked on it, everybody said it sounded good, so that's all I can tell you there. Now I'll show you a little bit more on the case here. There's a small hole there. You can see in the bottom, they must have had some kind of a mounted there. I don't know what they had going on. The speaker has been replaced. It's a little smaller of a speaker, so they put some glue around it to hold it in, and it has two clamps on holding it as well. And on the back, somebody put a regular power cord configuration in there, which seems to work fine. No issues that I know of. But there it is. And like I said, I have used this radio for several months on my bench with a power supply. I talk a lot of sideband, usually every evening, and I talk AM usually every day. And had no trouble with the radio at all, using the Galaxy mic and Galaxy desk mic. The only thing I was told is when I have this hand mic hooked up, that it sounds a little muffled. So that's the only issue that I'm aware of. I think it'll make somebody a good radio. You'll have to deal with the mic issue. Either wear a new mic and try that, and hopefully that takes care of the problem, or troubleshoot it from there. All right, thank you for looking.